Mitawasio, 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 mitawasio. Thank you, Jesus.
Keep it locked right here.
Don't change it up.
Stay right here. It's gonna bite ya.
Exclusive.
Move your mind and get ready for the drop.
Across the spectrums of house music.
Playing the latest hits.
The best music on the best radio show.
Exclusive.
Top Online Radio.
Welcome to your ultimate dance experience.
Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, Yenya Emrenim for when a quarter war Emrenimu, a porto casemu, ya case a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in Semina, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Emrenimu could draw for, so what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Quarter, Naswedi a drone swa, a Yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any a Jumamun Sembia, Omudimu Akotelepa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de BH.
The hottest tunes, the hottest DJ.
Top Online Radio.
24/7 in the mix.
Enjoyed this episode?
The music you love.
This week we have a guest mix.
TopOnlineStation.com.
We're available at the App Store and on Google Play.
Feel good hits.
You are now tuned.
Top Online Radio.
Keep it locked right here.
Don't change it up.
Stay right here. It's gonna bite ya.
Exclusive.
Move your mind and get ready for the drop.
Across the spectrums of house music.
Playing the latest hits.
The best music on the best radio show.
Exclusive.
Top Online Radio.
Welcome to your ultimate dance experience.
Ghana for our butcher, ya, say then, Yenya Emrenim for when a quarter war Emrenimu, a potokas emu, Yakase, a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Emrenimu could draw for, so what's now, Ombe Bwama, Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a Banini Passitnemu, any a Jumemun Sendia, Omudimu Akotelepa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchinie ebidi de BH.
Good evening, Ebusia for Ebraso, for legal matters. This is DJ KB, Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well, and then so your Wednesday. And someone you know, Wisemart for some who more or your fidi swat. Na any enkrata sem any ransom kwana any omobeka. We are streaming live on Facebook, YouTube. You can also listen to us on our free mobile radio app, which you can download free of charge from the Play Store and the App Store. Just go to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Top Online Radio UK. And I say, with me, website, very beautiful website, toponlinestation.com. toponlinestation.com. Of course, we are waiting at TA and so Modern Ghana website and also Ghana web website. Okay, website one more app download links no waiting me and they are download to yen free radio mobile app no. We a free legal consultation hour. Won krata sem ransom question bia. Lawyer Francis wa obi no amount. This is the free time you have. Upon there, just a ubuku appointment for consultation. Pacho eno any free. This hope a free advice in it and is now. I take advantage na wow. Yo, you have a chassis. Lawyer Francis, welcome to Legal Matters. Pacho apom to saying.
Thank you, DJ KB. Obadi Adaroma, Bibia Eda Nekwan. So, in Chiakese free Wisemart Solicitors, assure ye bow ho any TF4 near for of any of the top online radio UK platform Bia tune in.
Yo, it I see. I TF4 Ejo so. Me jidi se mo ho eye bibia ekoso. Mr. Lawyer say obe lower o Facebook volume na mamia. Say menya feedback biwa. Yeah. Thank you very much. At you for a bra and common course no ano. You don't have to wait because obe say we train there me questions no. Just say upon answer na me jebisa. Inti you can pop in, chip in and bring your question as the show goes on. And I say the number to call, yes, is on your screen. That is 0208 133 5876. That is 0208 1335876. And I say Facebook comment section will be to me tap your question there. Na be annual. I lawyer Pacho still I mean feedback be from I say ube dum I can't say ube low one be the Facebook volume.
Pacho, is it okay?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
All right.
Yo lawyer and there be a senior the shots update be about legal word what how person in Ghana for the chair because I said the MC update now here pa and say ba neighbor the ba no so be implication baby into lawyer for you update in the legal world me that say
Yo, me da si DJ KB updates ni the ba neighbor na ya pick the feel say be boy your community no na ye de atu eja any of the platform be yo the medical here recently PIP personal independent payment benefit asem and universal credit or see PIP and universal credit change to improve health assessment for benefits. Into open benefits ebi ni sɛ PIP anaasɛ universal ɔmo de nsakraa kakra bɛm nti ɛyɛ a na wahwɛ nneɛma a ɔmo behia because I say a new system for PIP and universal credit assessment is being trialed to improve the process for claimants with long-term health conditions. Nti normally PIP no ɛyɛ a wowɔ health conditions bi a no na ya yɛde ma wo nti ɔmo de improvement kakra ba ho ɔmo say under the new scheme no healthcare professionals with specific knowledge of their condition will look at their assessment rather than the general healthcare workers. First na nanka general healthcare workers na ɔmo assess o na ɔmo recommend this yɛmfa PIP ni ma wo anaasɛ yɛmfa universal ni ma wo say almost ede adene kwa akɔhyɛ healthcare professionals yɛka professionals a ɔmo amadɔre kware mu ehu sɛ ɔmo assess o medical send our medicals na ACT na on the based on their recommendation no na ɔmo PIP no. This is from the Department of Works and Pension ɔmo yɛ in charge of benefits. Yo, another update, me pese yeshene so and Court of Appeal omode guidance about regarding sentencing for small boat prosecution because yeshwe Prime Minister ne beginning of the year ni sema wakeka na or say or stop small boats for making crossing to the UK. Indeed, these are the measures on NENAPAM for in a year Home Secretary Swala Braverman. The measures na atototo wa na case be in Court of Appeal and JB citation here R versus Jenna 2023 EWCA crime 1121. I say the Court of Appeal in R versus Jenna has given guidance on the appropriate criminal sentence for those convicted of the offense of arriving or attempting to arrive in the UK without entry clearance, contrary to Section 24D1 of the Immigration Act 1971. The offense was introduced by the government in the Nationality and Borders Act 2022 with the explicit intention of targeting small boats crossing the channel. It is a say no omo ma adena ba be criminal offense. You can criminal offense you betumi a sentence you now you end up in prison. Indeed, these are the things Ama Prime Minister Opposite was stop with the boat, small boat across the island, about UK. But people are commenting, say, why do they make this a criminal offense? It doesn't mean say wakum nipa and say why be a serious in such a way, say. But all cross your banner, all catch and say what committee offense they are. Sabi, I was say yes, I shemu near sa can ye. Yo, update number 2. Update number 3, no. No so you for no so mudi abetuja. Almost EU calls for tougher visa suspension rules to address security risks. Ntomo nso kwa debate ahwɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ visa suspension yɛ suspend obi per visa aba EU countries na anaasɛ yɛma tɔfa sɛ ansa na abɛnya visa koraa ba UK EU countries no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo tɔfe na anaasɛ dɛn ntomo nso ɛde hyehyɛeɛ ɛba abɛto akwan mu na biribiara ba na ɛda ne kwan so a yɛbɛma mo aso ate. Yo, lastly, another update. I feel say boy TF4. This time, no, where a new guidance on my issue, explaining what landlord and letting agents must do to comply with the right to rent scheme. Almost say landlords and letting agents must carry out right to rent checks on people before entering into a tenancy agreement with them to make sure they are allowed to rent. Inti uja guidance no omode bana nyoma be no matinti more guidance no. In summary no, almost say what a right to rent check is. Why you need to do a right to rent check. Letting arrangements that fall within the scheme, how to carry out checks, when to carry out initial checks and follow-up checks, what documents are acceptable for a manual right to rent checks. To your team, side way now or guidance, in such a way, say, we a landlord, we a agent, letting agent, now all rent be a dine and answer property, ama opia. Or more expected, say, we a checks we. And Sana went to me and go ahead about the issue tenancy agreement. Hey. So when you chill, you fall short of the law and is punishable by us. It will be determined the gravity of the offense that we're committing. Yo, indeed, you can be way na me feel say your community me need to jar a bebwa. Right to landlord guidance to right to rent checks no and they are na home office a release abdeno.
Hey lawyer, ti say woko han dan so no say ye do be ko eyi sa terms no those 2 terms no.
Yeah, right to rent checks no.
And ye do be ko the same as if say you are going to apply for visa ana
and yet be visa per se, but ye per se who nipa na or babe high dino or one crata or kroma now because it seems that the government is more sad because there are so many factors involved ama or more yes I don't know. Who said a dino the demand and the supply renting a property no service says a shortage kakra was system and I rent to know near
the lawyer. Is it suitability and eligibility has a bedroom?
Oh, there be where the end.
I go hide and so the man also win your money. 70.
Oh, yeah, they send no money seeko.
Yo, a cheer for a topic, adoption and children's immigration status in the UK. Adoption, yes, I join him say, woko adopt akwara sa na tia ze obi nya oba na woko fa no say legally no abaye oba no ya adoption application ye nyina so yete ase na eno so no ade ehu hia ebetimi afa so kofa enkwada bia ba o mayi mu enti eneso epese lawyer ebechirechire mu say adoption no kra na zini bebre nti ase ebri make I say na mini pa bi. Those times na no ochame no be na those no number 47 mniade no say okoya adoption na say hey masa na adoption so about yourself when you na so timi adopt o musa enti na me amenti ase enti lawyer we dey be chire mu adoption no kura ne den e ka say adoption den na chire na mra ben na wo ho me da say
yo me so me da say ene anyway there no me say ya hwe adoption in UK next week nyame ma enkwa ne te nyame ma ahode ne ati nkwamu a ne ahwe adoption overseas why
okay
inti me ka say ya combine two ni nyina wa hwe ya ene ye wie inti me be say no part 1 part 2 why yo inti ene de no be ye adoption in UK to be adopted a child must be under the age of 18 when the adoption application is made. Inti sa o pese o adopt akola e was say o make sure say akola ne ye under 18. One of the requirements and I say not be or have never been married or in a civil partnership. Akola ne worry that another requirement. Inti the next question is the child's birth parents. Both birth parents normally have to agree or consent to the adoption unless they cannot be found. One, they are incapable of giving consent, for example, due to a mental disability. The child would be put at risk if they were not adopted. But for because adoption not has to have requirements, I will say we meet it. O person who adopt akola wo krom hanuma. E was say akola ne less than 18. And akola no enye se waware. And ebiomu so no se wo na o kwakọ adopt no se akola ne parents ti ase a e was say omuma consent. And also omo agree say obetumi adapt akola no ewo UK ha. Enye sa ebia ye hu parent no ye de na koja foster care home ni na sefo. And say parent no sebe omo adwin eka mu kakra nti omo ntimi make decision. So on that basis no betumi adapt akola no. Nti ye hwe nipa obetumi adapt akola no. Or say you must be able to adopt a child if you are age 21 or above. You can run and say, Ube to me, adopt akola. As long as wedding fear 21 air kosoro, age, you know. But who any say ebia udi 17 in as if we are me adopted. As long as say free 21 income, yeah, assume say we are adult. And a beautiful so no, ube to me a single, ube to me a married, mummy and ube to me a kamutia boom say a koya adopted ubi. Mube to me a unmarried partner, same sex or opposite sex. The partner of the child's parent. These are the people adults are to me are adoption. And another question, another requirement is I was saying my right of abode, my residence, has to be in UK. But any say chinchina I was say we are British ni and sana wet me adapted. Ube to be indefinite. Or pre-settled, uti krom hanuma, was a make or adopter, BB and see you quine. And you're British for one quine as or more adopted.
Okay.
And oh yeah, adoption now. Ebia sikasem and unti me adopted because the money involved in adoption of Mr. Easy. And yeah, easy cry or UK animal. Inti ye wonko for ko bia betimi contact omo, they can help you. Adoption Support Fund. Was it provides money for therapy for children and families to help improve relationship, confidence and behavior. Your social worker can apply for you. Because adoption no your procedure now, you need to get a social worker to deal with it for you. Yebeka was but sir usika semonya only social worker ne can obetimi contact Adoption Support Fund. Because in preppy, the man who say, yeah, na adoption, you know, people try to say, oh, me na me person me ya, me di misika me sponsor, na opa me ni na me ka how much involved now. Hey, lawyer, ne board you, mean to me. There be, over start here for UK, you can buy and say, Uber to me, Abba Beji Support Fund. But a social worker no be apply on your behalf. Yo, yeah, sure early stages of adoption, no. Early stages of adoption, yes, either you have to go through an adoption agency. And local counselor, a more list of approved adoption agency. I'm number recommend the amount. Men kasa uko biaho. For all you know, uko biaho. Nipane has not been approved by the council. Nti nipa ni di wanim na nyoma ko boni a council beka say we yenim no. But uko council na council no emma will be the list of them or sikofre mu baako. Na oni omunye adoption no. Ti we no one will say we free council and the amount that means council for you are aware about them.
And they've been sort of verified by the
council. In Tiabanisa, and I saw a voluntary adoption agency be also almost so. But I through say Omafa council, Sema council, no submitting about the list of them.
Okay.
In Tushema, the adoption processing, or say, who contacted adoption agency now, they will send you information pack about the adoption processing.
Right.
Because you are sure what to do, how to go about it. Into the agency will arrange to meet you. First, you need to contact them. Uber contact you or more. Secondly, send you park, no information park, no adoption process park, no. And thirdly, arrange a meeting with you. And if you and your agency agree to carry on, the agency will give you an application form. Into me too, now we agree, now who say, oh, when did you want? Or say, okay, application form, fill in a bra. Mr. Amo, adoption, no, processing no take around 6 months.
Hey, lawyer.
And yeah, easy, sir.
6 months.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lawyer, now.
In the adoption.
Lawyer, with a question behind. And says, no, fancy if you Ghana in himself, maybe to say children's home. Mokwa, you know, in Yanka or more or many parents or more, and you'll be to me adaptibi. Na abrochiri kuruma no bibisa wo ha. Baby one kora or money and nanny jaso wa obetimi adopt bisa.
Abrochiri bibisa but yem friend sa children's home now won't come.
Okay, lawyer chichi mu akra.
Your friend of foster care.
Oh, okay.
What the foster?
Mate's a foster parent. No, be a bisa.
Yeah. Foster care no. Abrochiri and yanka say ya Joe. Cancer no shesa won't treat ya kolani ya. Otimi be fa obano. No dia koma other parent or more per akola.
Hey, Ah, and you social phone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sana social phone.
Wow.
It no, your father is parents now adopted akola no. Different parents are adopted obano.
Hey, lawyer, Pacho, enti hono. Do they have the right over the akwadaa, like parental right over the akwadaa?
My member scenario, my year case be that. Efa sa adoption you. Client no de akola no. Maame ni ka say ontimi nhwe akola no.
Wow.
Inti council ni beji ni koma parents bi. Emrofo parents bi. Maame ni ye tuntum ye nkrofo yi bi. Na de esi ye ni say nyoma bi wo ma me mpese me daadi. De enti o yes no.
Okay.
Eba ni say maame ni free mu. Inti akola no papa bai say obeji akola no. Social worker for said there be emfa ne ma no.
Wow.
E kodu court nyina yeah.
Hey, ono ane
Papa ne by the birth said say ni din e woso. E call family court no. Ye busa akola no say obepini say obeko papa no ana say obeko the foster parents o.
Wow.
Guess what?
Obeko foster parent.
Yes.
Because ono ni no.
Asema making papa is a sia making Otigana.
Wow.
Why to me antenna chroma? Because I didn't buy for him.
Some what for net topic, you know, sending our boss on a adoption. So adopt akoda adoption, children's immigration status in the UK. What question be able to me after number no bisa. The number is scrolling at the top of your screen. That is 0208-133-5876. Lawyer or be you questions down amount. What question be a emfa topic you cross or with me ebisa. Welcome, Modikamba, man Vic. Welcome, Mr. Frank Date. Abena Mea, Sister Abena, Mikau Dinapa, Kevin Asamoah, Munina, welcome. Modikan Eric Sapon, Bismarck Adams, Angela Asaridonko, Mr. Moba, DJ Awuni. Majoba no wa share link no amayin. Asarid Angela. Asa me hu din no ba biu ana me boa. Yo ohene kwame mo amodikan ba nyamesam mo share link no because we dey nyamesam o nkrata say mo nyamesam. Andu ba no wa share na obi so atimi atiebi. Yo lawyer Yentoaso, adoption in the UK.
Yo, inti ushama ye do adoption assessment. What kwaji application form? What fill form no? It is a say omaji application na tum say ye be process amount. Inti first thing invite you to a series of preparation classes. Adoption agency no.
Classes.
Omube invite you. These are normally held locally and give advice on the effect adoption may have on you. Omo de obeko classes in church.
Wow.
Say adia udi wuti ramu no ehun sunsa sudie. Normal are arranging for a social worker to visit you on several occasions to carry out an assessment. This is to check you're suitable to become an adoptive parent. It is how I go through no.
Right.
Share no the work of classes. Actually, we get that with him. Normal up a social worker obey in charge of a case, you know. Or not a assessment, you know. Because mostly the social worker is so. Now, on an assessment, you know, the bed determines ube to me, we a suitable adoptive parent, ube to me adoptive now. Ebiom so no agency no be arrange a police check on you. The reason being is that you will not be allowed to adopt if you or an adult member of your family have been convicted of a serious offense, for example, against a child. Into police check now, mo be ya wo ho no, e chere say o criminal record bi ana. To the next stage is that they will ask you to provide the names of 3 referees who will give you a personal reference. One of your referees can be a relative. And then lastly, the other one is they will arrange for you to have a full medical examination. To Shema, in summary, over classes, social worker be assess you. Police check, you be here or you be here through referees. Relative could be one. And a fully, you be here with full medical examination.
Wow. Enya asama aberwaju.
Yo. It was it. The social worker will send the assessment report to an independent adoption panel.
Wow.
Because the panel comprises of the government selected panel or mobile assessing. So the panel will make a recommendation to the adoption agency based on your assessment.
Wow.
You can go along to ask questions and answers any questions the panel has. The adoption panel will send the recommendation to the agency, which will then decide whether you are suitable to adopt a child.
Wow. Hey,
that's the procedure.
That's a lawyer. Send you trade there. Say, whether you are suitable, no suitability test abam.
Yes.
And I don't know, sir. Almost never been on here, sir. Sibia, what criminal record and Sibia, and never been.
Assessment, assessment, social worker, you know. Once they are born.
Okay.
Police checks.
Okay.
Your full medical, because full medical examination, I am not a carry weight for. So you be one.
Okay.
They can recommend. And I was saying my 2 referees. One could be your relative. And a biome, so and American, the police checks, and social services. Or Baba Shew Fie was sitting a more war in a simple. It is based on a more report, you know. And the panel no can recommend say who is suitable and answer who is suitable.
Right. Yo lawyer, me that's na yem fa question you know yan twaso.
Yo, my main fa we
okay, yo.
I think once or mama will go ahead, you know. Agency now initially more processing where you know.
Right.
More starting a processing application, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, Mirasi, adoption and children's immigration status.
It is in case you say, Panano, or Mokachi agency, you say, ultimate qualifier. And also, no, you have the right to challenge the decision by writing to them or apply to the independent review mechanism, which will look into the case again.
Okay. So now, quite say, we appeal, no?
Yes, we are.
Adoption, no appeal.
It finally, say, I can't also bet me adopt here. Then you apply to the court for adoption court order.
Wow.
Yeah. Anyway, time woman, we'll talk about how to apply to the court. Why?
Okay. Yo, what you for a topic in adoption in the UK, adopting a child in the UK. Lawyer, because you know, if I need a child to adopt in the UK, where should I go? So I think sir.
Once I walk, sir, Ghana, when you for the kind of say,
children's home.
Children's home. Hano, the TN say you need sa kind of children's home new.
Okay.
But the way Rano, everything centered on the cancer war. Into will cancel, let me approach you almost say be adapted.
Okay. Okay.
Because of child trafficking, you can run it totally different.
Wow.
And because they are signatory to the UN Charter of the Children's Rights, they make sure that they follow the Charter rights. They don't go above or below that. It is a akola and answer be obi adopting go through the council first.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I think that question has been answered. So per se what adopt akwada adopt no. I say, for whatever reason, say the first point of call your council, your local council. To call now catch them me person me adopt akwada auntie. Omo abechro senior lawyer can omo.
Yeah, normally it goes through that foster caring. Into foster caring can turn into adoption.
Oh, right.
So, into when you are as a foster carer, foster parent, often say when you general now person to say then you proceed to making the application for adoption.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, lo auntie, yemhwe say wo adopte akwada akwada na nkasa no requirement bi wo no so eso no so meet ana
akulani per se once any kasa was akulani less than 18.
Okay, no. Okay, right.
That's a basic requirement.
Okay,
because of UK Mrano.
Okay.
So pa 18 no per wanya akulabio.
Okay. Now what about my question is about immigration status of Akodano. And
okay, good. Yeah. Because no maybe nanka we talked about it.
Okay,
because we were pursuant to section 15 and 15A of the British Nationality Act now, 1981. Or say where a court in the UK or in a qualifying territory makes an order authorizing the adoption of a minor who is not a British citizen, the minor will be a British citizen from the date of the order if the adopter, being the parent, or mama adopting, or one of the adopters is a British citizen.
Okay. Right.
So you see how I link it up with immigration, Wana uba befa kolano asupe obano. So we are British in here. As long as adoption you go through adoption order from the family court, akolano automatically onuso be British.
Okay. Okay.
So what settle that? Akulani benya indefinite leave to remain immigration wise.
Okay.
Into the ukutano enubina ya debe makolani.
Okay. Okay, but it does.
Who are pre-settler? Akulani benya pre-settle.
Okay. All right. But before the adoption is granted, no dear, Akulano doesn't have to have any immigration status.
There be.
Okay.
Because there were British Nationality Act 1981, there will be a friend of stateless child.
Wow.
Unless a stateless person will nikrobia.
Right.
Nipanu nikro, akolani nikro. Inti wana ubefano asobano, una obema nikro, and also obema yamano eyi. Provided sir, what me go through adoption. Say free overseas, have you met the Hague Convention on Protection of Children and Cooperation in Respect of Intercountry Adoption 1993? Next week, I better talking about that one. Hona Ghana and the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, lawyer anti share Akwadano immigration status hono Serbia Now, we are settled. And now we apply the amount. Ya so abenya se wono so kuta indefinite whatever. And from then, how does the child become? Vanessa, wono British ukuta indefinite.
Yeah.
So akwara no so yamandu where how does the child become British?
Yo.
From that point.
That's where you can run. Sir, upesa we are British no.
Okay.
In this case, no so okuta indefinite based on my adopted parent now. Or say children who are not automatically British can apply to be registered as such. For example, Section 15 of the British Nationality Act 1981 provides that where a court in the UK makes an order authorizing the adoption of a minor who is not a British citizen, that child shall become British if one of the adopters is a British citizen. One. But omunya, I was so register akolano.
Okay.
As a British citizen.
Right.
You go through the normal, say akolanya indefinite, who person are British until you apply mano.
Right. Right.
But I clear, man.
Yeah. It's very, very clear.
Yeah.
Right now, ubi did a be about me mobile say my adoption now can it be cancelled after it has been granted? Say amount whatever the court order no or adopt a Korano. Umbeti me about some major Korano. Under what circumstance, lawyer?
The LTN say court na ya ema sa or granting adoption order no.
Sure.
On the basis of the many work ya say adoption processing, assessment, and that kind of thing. Inti se court ebejia tuma. That means what go through your assessment.
Okay.
Unless what adopt your colana we no treating the way I was say treating no. That's where social worker you report to my social they will assess you why your colana treatment number. On that basis, no social worker can fight to the court say you colana fees.
Right, lawyer. Maybe wait follow up question T. After the court adoption order has been granted, do they come to monitor?
In some way, no, unless they suspect something.
Oh, okay.
Because the assessment has been done, about 6 months.
Right.
Now, what's the point of you going to adopt the Akolano?
Oh, okay.
So
this is be a course of fine. Who to check when the
that's it.
Okay. Okay.
And everyone so I remember when Akolana tina how or no bondi and as or no bondi. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. For an adoption in the UK, and and so a question beyond one, a binum de about also between you about the number. You can call the studio number 0208 1335876. That is 0208 1335876, or you can send your type your question in the Facebook comment section or na mekaina lawyer yi ano amount. Na lawyer we there say my last question what say hono and they say so people saw your adoption ya lawyers mobile to me ajisa fancy contract no.
Oh, why not?
Mo ye bibia mano.
You bet to me a contract, IABPR from A to Z.
Oh, okay.
Well, the thing is, adoption, say, for all you know, one akolani mikrom ha. And nothing I'm saying next week, make a Ghana there no.
Okay.
There, Ebia by anima, ya and ya had no adapti akolano, or co adapti wa Ghana.
Okay.
But Hano, because of what Hano, I was say we'll go through some of the process in there.
Okay.
Because of co adapti akolano wa Ghana, or the Liverpool UK.
Sure.
In the UK, no, UK, I'm running say, before I say, Oko adaptive or be free overseas, you know, go through this procedure, you may issue BPI a friend of certificate of eligibility.
Right.
That also take you through the assessment, you know, but this time, no, you are not going to apply for an adoption court order.
Okay.
Your process, you know, near Castle Bet me adapt here. No one call Secretary of State for Education. No, never issue certificate of eligibility. No, now they are called Ghana overseas. And also back for Ghana assessment or and Sana Ghana by a court and also amount adoption order every court. In the Ushema, you can take about a year to process this from Sautiha now person okofa oko adapt obi or Ghana. Because Ghana the end also no, you go through procedures. Because you ensure the processing adoption who person who hana who ye wahadia court order by a court and say at least ube apply so that the court can give you parental rights and responsibility for the child. And the child must have lived with you for at least 10 weeks before you can apply.
Wow.
Until once a court number order, no, you become the adoption, your adoption become permanent. The child has the same right as if they were your own birth right. For example, the right of inheritance or property. Obetimi aye will na dia kolana kan ho as odan. Oba. So obetimi inherit o properties.
Right.
And then so you can buy a copy of the adoption certificate. You would not be automatically but the order also takes away parental responsibility from the child's birth parent. Bear in mind, who adopted Akolana? Definitely, Akolani former parents, biological parents, you know, Omunya Akolani BBABU. Parental responsibility, you know, are shifted to you.
Right. Well, lawyer, senior, which say example of my idiot. I said, Sami pa de Sami ko adopt Akwada, me pe de ni ma ne papa ntiasiu. Because because yeah, ni papa ni ma ntiasiu. Wa omu na da chi bi o ma so ma je no mbepom ba. Na afi abeye manso abusha manso. Wo ha
na America no, you're entitled to your opinion. Why? Obi wa fa say na o ka say me example bi a no e dey akola ni ko che ye chi o pese obeji ni aye ko du quarter fama no.
I say o ko adopt dey apede ni parents ntiase no obi a mfiri da bi max say
and Ghana dey no e ma hu kwan ma wo adapt from your own relatives or family.
Hey.
Yeah, into the next week Ebeka was why?
Yo, lawyer. And then share with the 5 minutes. Wisemart for other Nema Moye. Honum na yemfenwi.
Yo, Wisemart. Sena enim no. When it comes to immigration, nationality, in Kratasem with the father dying, you knew him more because your success rate, you know, almost 99.9999%. Because you be advise you. Sir, wait here, nyabutre, enye ye, koyese, nesabra. And no family issues regarding child arrangement or the ancillary relief, anything involves family issues, divorce, and that kind of thing. Over to media dying. Civil litigation, man, so train employment law, Ghanaian customary law, Ghana for law firm. There was say who ya warrior and she share and say for because MP in a year home office catch him say my warrior dear. In home office and ya will crow, ye crow your tradition, ye mra send a city no and they say ya warrior. The home office won't even catch say ya warrior in the Yo, these are the things, and yeah, no benefits, housing, and that kind of thing, or over to me about the saying to me, you better refer to the appropriate people you have to. Yo, me da si DJ KB, send them so what's so mu ama a day program na baby.
Lawyer, Mr. Come last question. Time no so lawyer, we dey. You 4 minutes. Lawyer, I have 4 minutes. And my question is say no. Me nim si ate say ebinu omo ba na airport ho. Yetimi sign bi dom. Enti dia na no so no lawyer man so mutimi di hunjuma. Se bi obi ba, obetimi ni mo aye yi say in case just in case me be through airport na mo kire me a mo be hwitwa nyeme. Eno so mo ya ho adwuma. Because abusia say o wa be through ha na question be a one ntimi ansa nti esa de okokotoka de abusia enya asem de enti
me say na me kan say Monday cry nya bi e ma yesuma ye lawyer ba ko ma ne ko ekodi hunjuma esi tem bia enti ye kan say ba ufri Ghana ba applications na na we say work copy now we study because the same questions are our form so no na omubebusa but mostly edu be bia ye to me answer omo and no na more suspect bibi no more detail now we try the next available flight near the way si no akọ back e ho na better me say when you be who can but 9 NC hoda
Hey, wako twa busu eja pade de ebeduru ya sansan na okobo amane esan yo enti ene abutuafo ena lawyer say obumdi hu akotre pa enti se wonya obi na oba ene obe contact lawyer na say omo en standby enti uduru na hu say ene ma no be ya jigoma wa wo say me frame lawyer na say eno anu no yo lawyer eda sipa nyame nshirawo ene unchichi anti nyame adma yo ebasem yo ene all the best bye bye ati for omo lawyers mo contact information ene wo screen so no sorry Wisemart Solicitors I'm sure okay right Omo numbers no omo office number no is one to me and take care 0208 016 5384. That is 0208 016 5384. I from Musa number no I am we be on ye be on me at the aboa this DJ.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountant. Certified accountant. Certified accountant.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a medical driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was all with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a wabri accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who yacho. It didn't make up for certified accountant. And the Yamawo. F accounts and tax return. Company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 of money certified accountants, self tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And teach you what company or Chiwakasa. Now what the hotel babro. No this is Capudio Babro no Bushia. Certified accountant. Say about transfer from the dia. What to the construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then we are Juma our temporary workplaces in Yamon Frano, no one Yisika Pudu Mamo. But the Yamada Kran say HMRC4 at the Cabra work. What me wow it came and yes as well. What is so cry?
Address 335 to 351 Raynham Road South, Dagenham, RM10 8QR.
Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Na humba me ho atwa me. Mudi mpuntio aba madwuma yi.
Our very lives consist of moments, occasions, events, and experiences. But some of these moments turn out to be so special that you never want to forget them. Unfortunately, to forget is human, and time relegates all those special moments to antiquity. And that is when photography comes in, to bring to the present memories of those special moments, occasions, and events which you cherish so much. You don't just want photography, you want professional photography. Speak to the experts at Dan Studios UK, a firm of professional photographers providing unequaled photography services to all areas in the UK. Let us take care of the photographs of those special occasions that mean so much to you. Is it a wedding, a christening, an engagement, a marriage ceremony, a birthday party, or is it a funeral celebration, a business event, a religious event, a political event, or other social events? Dan Studios UK is your ultimate choice. Get in touch now for a professional photography service with a touch of spice. Dan Studios UK, incredible photographs that return those memories from antiquity to the present.
Ebusianfo, so occasion ni hia opa dia. E man kwanchenfo bia mese pictures ni mawo. Obitimi ka say I'm sorry, o pictures ni nyina say.
Contact Dan Studios UK on 078 52 311 049. That's 078 52 311 049.
Dan Studios UK
for incredibly fabulous photographs.
Dan Studios UK.
Naturally flawless.
Dan Studios UK.
Incredible photographs with a touch of spice.
For more Ghanaian content in the UK and around the world, tune in to Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, views, interviews, and what have you. Download our free mobile radio app from the App Store and the Play Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For all enquiries, advertisements, or to work with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK.
You are now tuned in to your number one radio station.
The greatest hits of all time.
Top.
Only the best music.
Feature of the week. Exclusive live mix. A crazy mix and mash of the best freestyle music. Now.
Don't change the dial.
Stay right here. It's gonna bite you.
Exclusive.